Hello everyone, Sultan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a portal using GrooveMember. Okay, so now I'm inside of the GrooveMember dashboard, and all you have to do is click on portals, then create portal, and here you want to have a name and a subdomain, and here you want to select the domain, which is, for example, my domain, or imscope.online, and you want to choose a subdomain, for example, and here I want to choose portal.imscope.online, but you can choose whatever subdomain you have. And now I have a name and a subdomain, and all I do is create a portal. And here is the customizer or the settings, and here you want to have a name and a description, then save and next. And here you want to choose the membership sites that will be inside this portal, okay, because a portal is a list of memberships, okay, and the membership is a list of courses, okay. So I hope you've got the idea. So for example, I want to choose all the memberships that I have, and then go to display memberships. You can display all memberships or display only accessible memberships. So I will just leave it at, maybe I want to display only accessible memberships, and save and next. And here you want to sort your membership site. For example, I want to make the imscope membership site the first membership site that they will see, and the other membership sites they will see second, okay. So I hope you've got the idea. You can drag and drop it, then save and next. And here you want to pick a template, okay. There is two templates at the moment, but now I want to choose this template, and all I do is click on customize. And now here what you want to do is just customize your membership site. For example, I don't want to have a transparent navigation bar, and the navigation bar color is black, for example, or let's make it gray, like so. And then you can choose the button roundness. For example, you want to make it a pill or a square or a round. It is totally up to you, but I want to choose a pill. Now you want to change the color, the button color. For example, I like it to be red, and then the text color is white, because obviously you want to see the text. Then here you want to change the logo, which is the logo that you see right here, okay. So I want to remove this logo, then choose a logo. I want to scroll down. Here it is. Select my logo and select, like so. What's next? The copyright. So for example, let me go to another website, for example this site, and all I want to do is just copy this icon, like you see. Let me zoom in. This is the icon. All I do is just copy it, like so, and go back to Groove portal and paste it in here. And all I do is just type my membership or portal name and the footer links. Maybe you want to have an about us page and a terms and conditions page and privacy policy pages. I don't have one at the moment, but you can do this right here. So now I have added the links, and maybe you want to change the background color of the footer. So if I scroll down, this is the footer background color. You can change it to, I like it to be gray, which is this color, and the text color is black, like so. Then what you want to do is go to the hero section, scroll up, and here is your hero section. You want to customize it. For example, if you have a special offer before they go through the membership site, you can add it right here. So I will just leave it as it is, but you can add your own banners or your own images right here. But for the sake of the simplicity, I will just remove this image, and I want to change the background color to red. Okay, and if I can change the text color to white. Yeah, here it is. Then what you want to do is I will say welcome to the IMScope portal, like you see, and maybe you want to make it bold, and it will be changed dramatically right here. And for example, you want to change the background color, or you want to have a link, or you want to make it italic. It is totally up to you. And the description, you can change the color, and you can do the same. It is like a simple WYSIWYG editor. You can do whatever you want, and I think that is it really. Then what you want to do is scroll up and go to the body section, and the body section is all courses, and yeah, the all courses and the other courses like you see in here. And for example, you want to display it as a list. Yeah, a list is much better, but I will just leave it at grid. Then you want to change the label to all courses, and if you have access to one of the, all memberships. That was a mistake. Okay, label number 2, which is my memberships. Then scroll down, other portals, or other memberships, like so. Then go to the author section, and you can choose this to display an author, which will be down below or above the footer. You can do that in here, but it is totally up to you guys. Okay, but I will disable it. After that, you want to save and next, and now voila, your membership site is created. Now, like you see, the membership site does have the GrooveMember subdomain, which is great. But if you want to change it, we'll see if we can change it. Let's save and next. And then if you can go to the, for example, the settings, it is applied right here, but I don't know why it doesn't change. So if I can go to the edit section again, it is the same, nothing to play with here. So if, for example, I got the login link, like you see, it is copied. If I go to a new membership, yeah, it is portal.imscope.online. So everything is good. You have two options, whether you want to choose whether you want to have your custom domain, or you want to have your the GrooveMember subdomain. It is totally up to you. Okay, this is the membership site. So once someone purchased any of the courses that is inside any of these membership sites, he will get access to the portal. Let me show you an example. So I go to the portals again and go home and go, for example, to courses. Okay, and for example, here it is. If I go to edit course, nope, it is not here. If I go back, I'm sorry guys. Go to memberships. Then choose any other memberships, for example, this membership. Then click on manage membership. Then go to manage access levels. You should have these access levels. If you don't know how to do it, check out my previous tutorials. Okay guys, now I want to go back. If I go home, memberships, and then manage membership, if I can click it, yeah, manage membership, then go to manage members. Then here what you want to do is add a member. So the members always come after you purchase, but you can add them manually in here. For example, I want to add my name and my email. A notice or a disclaimer: you cannot add the same email that you if you logged in to Groove Funnels using this email, for example, using email number 1, you cannot give access to this email. You cannot give access to any of these courses using email number 1. You need to choose another email. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. And the access level, for example, I want to choose the free and click on save. And here is my membership access. Now if I go to my Gmail account, here is my email, and here is your access email. Like you see, GrooveMember, welcome to Groove Domination, which is the membership site, and here you have given access to the front end. And if I go to the promotional tab, I will get it, but no. Okay, you have given access to the front end. If I click on it, and here is your access, and if I click on login, it gives me access to the Groove Domination, the Groove Domination membership area, like you see. But if I go to the portal and click on login, and I will use, for example, this email, and go to portals. Let's hope we have access to it, and let me get the password. Login. Yeah, I think I am logged in, and here is my access, which is the Groove Domination membership site. Access now, and let's hope I don't have to log in again. Yeah, here is your access for the front end course or the free course, and here it is. Voila. Okay, so I think I have covered everything you need to know about portals, and I will see you in the next video.